When I saw that picture of Salim on the cover of Malaysian's Men's Health, I was like, man, if I work really hard and eat all my vegetables, I could probably look like Salim.
He'll be the one creating jokes, so I'll be the joker of the whole section.
Oh, lasagna. You remember when we'd come back, we'd been out on exercises and been a long, wet, cold day, and my battle buddy, Salim, he's like, is there anything you need, Blakemore? And I'm like, yes, please, I'd really like something to eat. He says, I'll make you my special lasagna.
So it's cabin bread, some dried noodles with a little seasoning, a little jam, all stacked together.
He's lighting his cooker. The top of his helmet, which is covered in a flammable material, catches fire. So I'm standing there looking at him and I say, hey Salim, your head's on fire, mate. He jumps up, freaks out and runs around. I ended up having to use my water bottle to pour it out of him while he was running around.
He's a brother, a friend and a brother.
I know that's a connection that's going to last me for the rest of my life.